Hi, I'm Anupa and I welcome you to the series of the best 5 combo foods. And what are we doing today? We're going to be doing Rasam Vada. So let's quickly see the recipe. Now, what we'll do first is we need to boil the dal. So what I have here is dal ka pani. So when you cook tuvar dal, what you get is this liquid, and to which I'm going to add some tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to cover it and we'll let this boil and boil and boil till all the flavor of the tomato comes into the dal. I have a kadai in which there's oil getting heated up because we have to fry the vada. And now what do? Now let's make the batter to make the vadas. What I have here is urad dal which is soaked, and the soaked urad dal we need to grind. The batter is not supposed to be too thin, so I haven't really added water. So I haven't added water, but I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. A little bit of water. So this is done, and now what we'll do is we'll remove it in a bowl. Now into this batter we need to add some chopped fresh coconut, some chopped green chillies, a little bit of ginger, some curry leaves. I would like to just crush them or just break them like this and then add it to the batter. Salt, of course. And after you've added all of this, mix it up nicely. So this is when you realize that the batter is thick. You can, if you want, add some water, but I'll do that after I've fried one batch of vadas. The only thing that you need to be sure at this stage is the salt, because after that adjusting is a little difficult. So this is the mixture for the vada. So the oil is hot, the batter is done. I need to wet my fingers or my palm, and with the help of my wet fingers, I'm going to portion out the vada into this kadai full of oil. Remember one thing, never fry it in cold oil, or else you'll have the vadas absorbing all the oil and tasting absolutely greasy. And wherever you find space, you can put, and there the dal has started to boil. We'll lower the heat and we'll let it boil. Coming back to the vadas, we have enough space in the kadai, so I guess we can make the entire batch in one go. Do not overcrowd the kadai, or else you'll have all the vadas sticking to each other. All the batter has gone into the kadai, and now we'll just wait for it to turn beautifully golden. So while the vadas are getting fried, the dal is also getting cooked. We can just remove this scum which is come on the sides, and let's add some flavorings to this. So this is tamarind, some jaggery, because we want to make it khatta meetha. But understand one thing, that rasam is slightly on the spicier side, and that spiciness comes with the rasam powder. So make sure you get some amazing rasam powder from a nice good South Indian store. Now we have to do the tempering for the rasam. So here is my kadai, and into this kadai goes in some oil. We let the oil get heated, but coming to the vadas, whatever has turned perfectly golden, we can remove it, and the others can still stay in the oil. And now coming to the tempering, so the oil is hot. Now in this hot oil, we'll add very little mustard seeds. To the mustard seeds, we'll add in some hing or asafoetida. We need to add in some dried red chillies. So after this, now what we need to do is we need to strain the dal in which the tomatoes were cooking. And now press this out. So the tomato pulp has to now get into the dal. So here you go, the flavor of tomato is into the dal. The color is brown because of the tamarind, and now let's add in rasam powder. Now this needs to boil for a good 15 minutes, and I think that's it. Nice hot rasam and crispy vadas. So piping hot rasam along with crispy vadas is ideal combination for you to go for. What I suggest is get to your kitchen, do the preps ready, and you have to dish this out for your family members. Do let me know how you like it. I'm going to serve it right away and eat it too. And you don't forget to like, share and subscribe.